about the learning process or the teaching process. Actually, we senior people are sitting here. It's in the year of 2024. Whereas in the year of 2050, you people will be sitting in front. Understand what I am communicating? The students will be sitting in the front, whereas the elders will be always motivating the students from the back. That will be the first message I want to tell you as a psychologist. I'm basically a psychologist, so I want to tell you one interesting thing. Another thing, I'd like to ask you one interesting question. Can anybody come? I think you are from MBA department, am I right? Come, my dear young friend. I'd like to ask you one interesting thing. Please do come. It's your class, am I right? See, the thing is, whatever you have done yesterday, if you are doing the same thing today, will you get a new result or an old result?
It's a new result.
No. Is it so? No. Your friends are not agreeing with you. Whatever we have done yesterday, we are repeating the same thing today also. If we are doing the same thing, we are going to reach 2024, not 2050. So we have to do certain changes. If we are repeating the same thing, the spelling of change will change. You will cut the spelling of change from C and E and you will land into hand. Am I right? Yes or no? We will land into hand. So we should be prepared for a change. One of my friends was talking about Nokia. In fact, I wanted to mention the Nokia story also, you can understand. Please do come here, do come. I want to tell you certain changes in the year of 2050. I want to ask you, as you are a student or a faculty? Student. So I like to ask you, what is the most hated thing as far as the teaching is concerned? The method. Method? Which is the most hated method or most not absorbed method as far as teaching is concerned? Any idea? Any idea? It is nothing but lecturing. It is nothing but lecturing. So in the year of 2050, it will be a participatory learning. Am I right? There will not be any sort of lecturing or the monologue from the faculty members. Am I right, sir? Actually, learning what? Why you are learning? Why you are learning? It's a very interesting question. I want to ask you, why you are learning? Increase the skills of getting more money? Learn. Am I right? Learning is learning. Learning is learning. Am I right? Actually, we people learn, relearn, and we have not done one interesting thing. Most of you people, unlearning. We, elder generation, we never done, most of elder generation, we never done unlearning. Whereas you people or the youngsters are going to do a lot of unlearning. That then only we are going to achieve the 2050. So it should be a participatory process. That's why I invited you. This is one of the methods of teaching. Am I right? Mere learning means there will not be lecturing process. There will not be monologue process. It will be an interactive session. I am going to get more knowledge because she was talking to me. Otherwise, I am going to listen on my own words. You got my particular points. Then only the interactive session will get more knowledge to the faculty members as well as to the students. And I don't think much universities will be there. shortly in the year of 2050. Because other than the university degree, practical skills are going to be taught in the year of 2050. Once I participated in a particular seminar, somebody was talking about artificial learning, and they said, "Doctor, you are going to lose your jobs. Even the surgeons, you are going to lose the job." But I said, I will not lose the job, or we people will not lose the job, because we are all psychologists. Psychologists you cannot replace, you understand, no? Each individual's problems are different. The way we are treating, it cannot be treated by a artificial intelligent person. What do I know? So we should be in a position of such a kind of knowledge so that you can pass more knowledge. I think she is just smiling, I can understand. See, she is smiling. You can, as a psychologist, I want to tell you, you just smile, man. Let be an infectious disease in you so that everybody will smile. Am I right, sir? Let it be an infectious disease so that everybody will smile. Let it be a positive sign to everybody so that everybody will participate. Am I right? Conclude the session. I want to tell you, to read that 2050, I like to highlight 4 P's. Okay, shall I repeat? So that you can also repeat? P, 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 P. How many P's? 4 P's. Okay. Proper planning prevents poor performance, my dear friends. Proper planning prevents poor performance.
5 P's.
5 P's. You want to say something? Proper planning prevents poor performance. It is not 4. This is also a little bit of Socrates questioning and learning. You know what is meant by Socrates questioning and learning? See, he is a good teacher. I want to appreciate that. He never said any answer. Instead of that, he questioned me. Socrates used to teach his students only through the questioning. That will be the another method in the year of 2050. Ma'am, this investment makes elevation. This investment makes elevation. TIME. This investment makes elimination also. So I am going to be eliminated from the mind. Thank you, my dear friend. Thank you, my dear friends.
Thank you so much, Dr. Professor Regunath Parakkal, sir, who is a psychologist. Sir, am I reading it right? Parakkal Institute of Medical Sciences. So I have got it action now, and please a big round of applause for sir, for introducing such wonderful concepts to us, starting from 4 P.